There's just something about a warm, soft oatmeal cookie that makes a house feel like home. These cookies are chewy in the middle, lightly golden on the edges, and perfect with a glass of milk, cup of coffee, or straight off the baking sheet when nobody is looking. And if your current kitchen is not giving you enough room to bake, mix, and sneak cookies in peace, Margarett Klein, your favorite Space Coast Realtor, would be happy to help you find the perfect home and the perfect kitchen to make all your favorite treats. Ingredients: 1 cup butter, softened, 1 cup brown sugar, packed 1/2 cup granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 1/2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 3 cups old-fashioned rolled oats, 1 cup raisins or chocolate chips, optional directions. 1. Preheat the oven. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Line baking sheets with parchment paper or lightly grease them. 2. Cream the butter and sugars. In a large mixing bowl, beat the softened butter, brown sugar, and granulated sugar until light and creamy. This helps give the cookies that soft, chewy texture we are looking for. 3. Add the eggs and vanilla. Beat in the eggs one at a time. Add the vanilla and mix until everything is well combined. 4. Mix the dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together flour, baking soda, cinnamon, salt. Slowly add the dry mixture to the butter mixture and stir just until combined. Do not overmix. 5. Add the oats. Stir in the oats. If you are using raisins, chocolate chips, or both, fold them in now. Personally, I say chocolate chips make almost everything better. 6. Scoop the cookies. Drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto the prepared baking sheets, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie. For larger cookies, use a cookie scoop and add a couple extra minutes to the baking time. 7. Bake for approximately 9-11 minutes. The edges should look lightly golden, but the centers may still look a little soft. That is exactly what you want. Do not wait until the centers look completely done, or you may end up with crunchy oatmeal cookies instead of soft ones. 8. Cool. Let the cookies sit on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes before transferring them to a cooling rack. They will continue to set while staying soft in the middle. The secret to really soft oatmeal cookies. The biggest secret is simple. Do not overbake them. Take them out when the centers still look slightly underdone. Also, brown sugar helps keep the cookies moist and chewy, which is why this recipe uses more brown sugar than white sugar. Fun add-ins. Want to change things up? Try adding chocolate chips, white chocolate chips, raisins, dried cranberries, chopped pecans, walnuts, coconut, butterscotch chips. You could even divide the dough and make a few different kinds. Because why choose just one cookie? Storing your cookies. Once completely cool, store the cookies in an airtight container at room temperature. For extra softness, you can place a small piece of bread in the container with them. The cookies will absorb some of the moisture from the bread and stay soft longer. Need a better kitchen for your baking adventures? If your dream includes a big kitchen island, plenty of counter space, a walk-in pantry, double ovens, or simply more room to bake cookies without moving the toaster, blender, and air fryer first, I can help. Margarett Klein, your favorite Space Coast Realtor, would love to help you find the perfect home and the perfect kitchen for your next batch of cookies. Margarett Klein, XP Realty, call or text 321-480-7662. Email margarettklein@xrealty.com. Website margarettsellsdreamhomes.com. YouTube Dream Homes, Space Coast, Florida. Whether you are searching for your forever home or just the perfect place to bake your next batch of soft oatmeal cookies, give me a call. I would love to help you find it.